Dr. Srinath. I am the medical superintendent of a postgraduate teaching medical college hospital in a place called Mahbub Nagar near Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. It so happened about 2 years ago, I had come to see my son working then at Pune with my wife, when my wife complained of a severe pain in both the knee joints. Consequently, my son, who had heard of this Sancheti hospital through his friends, brought us to this hospital, and through a common person that is known to both of us by name Dr. Sandeep Kundra, who happens to be an ex-student of our medical college at Mahbub Nagar. He took us around and had us shown to senior Sancheti Saab as well as Dr. Parag Sancheti, who both of whom examined my wife and opined that she deserved knee replacement surgery, because of which we had to make arrangements. We went back to our place in Mahbub Nagar and came a few months later. That was about, when did you get surgery done?
19th July.
19th July in 2011. When we came prepared to get her operated for both the knees to be replaced. Unfortunately, because of her knee condition, the blood pressure and diabetes condition as well as her heart condition, the anesthetist opined that she could be fit enough for a single knee replacement and not both of them. Accordingly, she was operated, but during the post-operative period, because of her diabetic status, her recovery was delayed. But however, the period of stay in the hospital continued to be as per the normal expected schedule. And on return, she continued with her physiotherapy, and her complaint in the right leg became almost nil. This is thanks to the expertise of Dr. Parag Sancheti, जिसने हजारों घुटनों का शस्त्र चिकित्सा अभी तक किया है और शायद किसी में भी वो फेल नहीं हुए हैं। अगर किसी को कोई कंप्लेंट इस शस्त्र चिकित्सा के बाद हुआ तो सिर्फ वो पेशेंट की वजह से हो सकता था, क्योंकि शस्त्र चिकित्सा इसमें आधा काम कर सकती है और बचे हुआ आधा पेशेंट के हाथों में है, जो कि वो कम से कम 6 हफ्ते के लिए दिन में 3 बार 1-1 घंटे का फिजियोथेरेपी करना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर ये ना करे और कहे कि शस्त्र चिकित्सा सफल नहीं हुआ तो गलती सिर्फ पेशेंट की होती है, नहीं सर्जन की होती है। इसका उदाहरण मैं खुद देता हूं, जो यहाँ लास्ट अप्रैल में, दैट इज 2011 में यहाँ आया था, 12 मई में यहाँ आया था, अप्रैल 2012 अप्रैल में आया था,
17 अप्रैल ऑपरेटेड।
और जब मैं दोनों घुटनों का सर्जरी एक ही बार करवाया, मेरा फिलॉसफी सिर्फ एक ही था, इसलिए कि अगर एक कपड़ा सुखाने में कुछ घंटे लगती है तो दोनों कपड़ों के सुखाने में भी वही टाइम लगती है। इसलिए मैं सोचा दोनों घुटनों एक ही बार करवा लो, और इसी हिसाब से मेरा 2 घुटनों का सर्जरी हुआ। और उसके बाद मैं एक्सपेक्टेड शेड्यूल पे ही यहाँ रहा, 10-12 दिन तक, और वो होने के बाद मैं फिर वापस हमारे यहाँ चला गया। मेरे सर्जरी का सक्सेस आप खुद यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि दोनों घुटनों का सर्जरी हो चुका है। मैं अब दोनों ऐसे बैठ सकता हूँ, और जब चाहे किसी रिलीजियस फंक्शन, पूजा पाठ के लिए मैं ऐसे कंटिन्यूसली 1 घंटा बैठ सकता हूँ। ये अगर कोई दूसरे देखे तो हैरान हो जाएंगे, मगर इसका श्रेय दोनों को दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि डॉक्टर पराग संचेती साहब ने तो खुद ये सब कुछ किया है, मगर उसके अलावा मैं 6 हफ्ते के लिए दिन में 3 बार 1-1 घंटा, सुबह 1 बार, दोपहर 1 बार और शाम में 1 बार 1-1 घंटा फिजियोथेरेपी किया, और उसकी वजह से ये सक्सेसफुल रिजल्ट मेरे को मिला। ये देख के हमारे यहाँ सभी डॉक्टर्स, हाउस सर्जन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट और दूसरे पेशेंट सब हैरान हो गए, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ भी ये सर्जरी किया जाता है, लेकिन वहाँ रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि ये फिजियोथेरेपी वहाँ इंसिस्ट नहीं करता। I am Dr. Srinath, and this is my wife, Dr. Parimala Srinath. My wife happened to get her right knee joint replacement done in July 2011, and thereafter she had enjoyed enormous improvement in her right knee, in her walking, in her climbing, etc. But she was handicapped because her left knee also deserved to be replaced, and it could not be done together earlier because of certain cardiac, blood pressure and diabetic problems. However, now that the conditions are suitable, she was brought here last Monday, that's a week ago, and got admitted with a prior appointment with Dr. Parag Sancheti. And last Tuesday she underwent surgery, that is the knee joint replacement in the left knee, and now it is a week past, and her dressing has been changed today, and the wound has been absolutely spotless clean without a drop of ooze from anywhere in the scar. It is likely that we will get the sutures removed by the end of this week, and we will return to our home, and thereafter she will continue with her most important feature of the surgery, that is physiotherapy for the next 6 weeks, and thereafter she will lead a normal life. For that matter, even I, after 6 weeks of rigorous physiotherapy, have been walking around the hospital. Since it is a 4th floor, 700 bedded hospital that I work in, I have to do a lot of walking about in the 4th floor, at least thrice a day. I have been doing it, and adding the icing to the cake, I drove down 500 kilometers up and down in my Tata Sumo a month ago, all alone by myself. So that is the success and achievement we have received through this knee joint replacement.